Hey guys, this is Tech Extreme and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the keyboard on a HP Pavillion TouchSmart Laptop. So first things first, what you'll want to do is flip over your laptop and remove your battery by moving one tab here and one tab to the unlock phase, and then just slide out the battery like so. Put the battery to the side and get your screwdriver. There will be one screw you'll have to remove, and that's that one right there, the one in the middle between the battery. So you'll want to remove that screw. Once you have that screw removed, you have to flip your laptop over, give it a good few taps, get the little screw out. Now put the screw to the side, and now we are ready to remove the laptop keyboard. So now open up your laptop lid to expose the keyboard, and basically what you'll have to do now is change from a Phillips to a flathead. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to get under the plastic coverings here with a fingernail and then put the screw underneath. You have the screw underneath, just gently lift up until some of the tabs pop up. And just gently keep on clipping them. And then once you have the whole side removed, like the tabs, you just want to gently lift up until you get the rest of the tabs removed. Then it pops off, put that to the side, and then, now this is the important step, you want to lift up the keyboard and flip it over this way to expose the bridge cable here. Now there's a little notch holding down the bridge cable, so you'll have to get your flathead screwdriver in. If you have a plastic screwdriver, it's recommended. And basically just get it underneath and just slowly let it fall down until the tab pops up like so. And then you have the keyboard removed. Then get the keyboard you want to replace it with here. Flip it over like this so that the tape is running towards the laptop. And then just flip over the cable, bring it over to adjust, and just gently slide it into this port here. And once you have it in, just get your screwdriver under that little tab again, this time on top. Just gently push down until the bridge cable is secure. Make sure that it's fully aligned to the tab, otherwise your keyboard may experience problems. Once you have that done, just flip over your keyboard and gently lay it down into the place where it's supposed to be on the laptop. get your plastic coverings, and now hold out a 45-degree angle, push it in, and lay it down. Make sure that it's covering all of the keys, and then just push down to secure it in place on the sides. Just run your hand along the keyboard with a bit of pressure so that you can tighten down the rest of them. And yeah, that's how you do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Comment down below what you thought. And if you're having any more issues, then I'll see you in the next video.